All right, y'all. Just a quick, short video for any of y'all out there. Anybody sees this that was having or is having the same problem as me. I was turning the steering wheel this way, and as you can see, I had my kill switch wired up here, and look what it did, y'all. It was splitting the wire right there, as you can see, right there. So what was happening was when I was turning it, the go-kart, the Predator 212 was dying. The mini bike was shutting off for whatever reason. It was shutting itself off. So now I'm gonna have to rewire this. And I just took all my wires out trying to see what the heck was going on. And I just so happened to look up this way, and I noticed that was cutting it right there. So you can see right where it, right there. And it spliced it. So I guess, I don't know, whatever it was touching. This one looks all right, but probably just gonna have to get in there too, clean it up, or maybe put some electrical tape around it. So this one I'm gonna have to splice and rewire together. So yeah, that's right there what I was looking at, y'all. So not that bad of a fix. Splice it, put it right back together, and keep them in the front this time and not on this side right there. So yeah, pretty crazy, y'all. I was just out here. I was putting some oil on the clutch, and I got another video I'm going to be making for y'all, but that's what I figured out. So now let me just go ahead and deal with that, y'all. Get everything wired back together, cleaned up, and away from that. And I'll be back just so y'all can check out what I did. Peace out. Alright, y'all. I'll put some more oil on the clutch in a little while. Let it get warmed up a little. That way it can really suck it in. But, so yeah, check it out, y'all. That was 100%. A lot of my hard starting, when I would have the wheel like that, and I just kept pulling it and pulling it, we're gonna shut her off. So that was 100% my problem most of the time when the bike was sitting like this, because usually when I have it on the kickstand, you know, the bars are sitting like that. So that was 100% my hard starting problem that I was having there. So I put a little bit of tape on this wire here, just enough to keep that one from the tack from, because you can see it hits there too. I mean, just, you know, when you're storing the bike, you're not really going to take a super hard turn like that in real life situation. But so the bike turns all the way that way, all the way this way, no problem. So yeah, y'all, that was 100% my problem that I've been having, and I was wondering why I kept pulling and pulling, nothing happens. I guess what happens was I would turn the steering wheel, try to give it throttle, and that's when it would want to fire up, because I turned the steering wheel out the way. So it was giving it an auto kill switch. So let's fire her up. Let's see where I can put y'all. Put y'all over here real quick. Y'all can see how the bike, it automatically wants to go into that position. No more shut off, y'all. So what I did there was I just put some electrical tape, y'all. Split the wire and reconnected and just put some tape, and then I just put a zip tie here. I'll probably could put some black tape just to kind of lock it in to make sure it doesn't move, so that won't happen again. Maybe just like right here, put some black tape right in the center around there, just to kind of lock it in place, because with the zip ties it'll still move if the zip tie moves. So alrighty y'all, pretty good. Just go ahead and give it a little hit. Let me pause y'all real quick and then I'll bring y'all over here. Alrighty y'all, let's bring her out here. Give it a little hit, y'all, just because this next video I'm about to make, I want to make sure everything's good. So basically this is just a little test hit for y'all, which I would have been doing behind the scenes, but since I'm making a video about what I made, y'all get to see a little bit of the behind the scenes trial and error, you know, so hopefully there's no error. But y'all can still, oh, y'all can't even see no more. Hello, guy. Park in the front. See how that bike just naturally goes like that, y'all? So I was hitting that wire right there. That was my problem. So alrighty, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and make a separate video about what I wanted to show y'all. Seemed to work out pretty all right. Only time will tell. Only time will tell, y'all. So there she is. Y'all saw her running okay, running pretty good, pretty decent. I like the way she felt. She was pulling good. So I'm gonna end the video there, y'all. It's pretty hot, and later on I'll make that other video that I was gonna show y'all. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Catch y'all on the next one.